Apple's M5 chip is the next major upgrade following the M4. The Mac Mini is expected to be one of the first devices to receive this new chip. The M5 lineup might include both standard M5 and M5 Pro variants. Design and build. Redesigned chassis, introduced with M4 Mac Mini. First major visual overhaul in 15 years. New look resembles the Mac Studio, replacing the older flat and bulky shape. Compact and lightweight for easier desk integration and mobility. Still built with recycled aluminum, continuing Apple's sustainability push. Ports and connectivity expected to continue in M5. Rear side, 1x Ethernet port, 1x HDMI port, 2x USB-A ports, 2x USB-C ports. Thunderbolt 4 on M5. Thunderbolt 5 on M5 Pro. Faster data rates, and improved multi-monitor support. Front side, 2x USB-C ports for convenient access. Power button placed underneath, somewhat inconvenient for daily access. Expected specifications, M5 Mac Mini. Processor, CPU. M5 chip likely to retain a 10-core CPU configuration, same as M4. 4 high-performance cores. 6 efficiency cores. M5 Pro chip may upgrade to 12 CPU cores, possibly 6 high-performance and 6 efficiency cores, aimed at professionals needing more raw processing power. Build on advanced 3nm or enhanced 3nm, N3E, node for improved efficiency and performance. Graphics, GPU, M5 base chip, may get 12 GPU cores, up from 10 cores in M4, M3, and M2. Improved performance for casual gaming, video rendering, and graphics-intensive apps. M5 Pro chip could increase GPU cores from 16 to 18. Ideal for 4K per 8K video editing, motion graphics, and 3D rendering. Unified memory, RAM, M5 base model. Starts at 16 GB unified memory, introduced in M4. Likely to remain the same. M5 Pro starts at 24 GB unified memory. Faster memory bandwidth, essential for multitasking and professional workloads. Likely no user-upgradable RAM due to Apple's SoC design. Internal storage. Base M5 could finally move from 256 GB to 512 GB SSD as a new standard. 256 GB has become increasingly limited for modern applications and workflows. M5 Pro might start with 1 TB SSD, more suitable for power users. Still based on Apple's custom SSD architecture with fast read/write speeds. Connectivity and networking. Wi-Fi 6E or possible Wi-Fi 7 support for faster and more stable wireless networking. Bluetooth 5.3 or higher, enabling reliable peripheral connectivity. 10 gigabits Ethernet option might remain for Pro models or as a BTO, build-to-order, upgrade. Power and thermal efficiency. Built on a next-gen 3nm process or an enhanced version, leading to better power efficiency, lower thermal output. Potential for fanless or low-noise active cooling system. Likely to retain external power supply unit, PSU, via Apple's standard power connector. Expected release date. Based on Apple's chip cycle and production leaks. Production of M5 series already begun. Estimated release. Late 2025, as early as November, or early 2026, January, February. Pricing expectations. Base M5 Mac Mini. Likely to stay at $599 to maintain affordability. M5 Pro variant. Starting around $1,399, like the M4 Pro model. Upgrades for RAM and storage will significantly increase final price. Performance expectations. M5 chip versus M4. Marginal CPU gains, but improved thermal efficiency. Faster single-core performance. More efficient multi-core scaling. Noticeable GPU boost, potentially. Better rendering. Higher FPS in games. Faster video export times. Possible improvements in machine learning performance, neural engine. M5 Mac Mini. Great for home users, students, creators, and developers. Compact, yet powerful system for everyday productivity and light creative work. M5 Pro Mac Mini. Suited for video editors, audio engineers, developers, and professionals. A Mac Studio Lite alternative with excellent value.